And to do that, let's copy the command from here and move to our terminal. So here inside the terminal, let's so we don't need to create a counter, but we need a task, not a counter. So let's run or let's hit enter. So it's created. Okay, so let's move and see what we have here. So here we have the folder, and here we have task.blade.php. So let's add first, let's add the class here. So we need class container, and here we need another div with a class row with margin top and bottom of 5, and also a div with a call md10 and mx auto. Okay, and inside we have another div with the row, and also we need a div with call md4. Okay, so here inside this calls md4 we will have the tasks list. Okay, so the tasks list we will add them later. So let's move to the next. So next we will have the form. Okay, so let's add here a div with a call md6 and a div with a card, and we need also another div with a card body. Okay, and inside we have text area. So text area will have the body of the task. So let's remove the label, so we don't need it. So let's organize, or let's move down just to be clear for you. So here we need the, so let's give it the name, which is the body, and also for the ID we don't need it. And let's give it also a placeholder, and here body, and or let's add task details, and what else we need. So later we will add, so what we have the class, so the class is already added, so later we will add the other things. Okay, so let's add the next, we need to add the button. So here we have the body, so let's add here a div with the card footer, and let's give it bg white and deflex and justify constant between. So inside we have a button, and the button will be btn sm and btn dark. Okay, and inside we have icon, which is fast, far, and paper plane. So let's save, and to take a look to the form that we have done, so we need to add the routes, and to add the routes, let's move to the web, and here we need to change the routes from function to the class that we have created, which is task class, and we need to call the class. Okay, so save, let's run and see if everything is working or not. So let's move to terminal. So here, so let's run php artisan serve and hit enter. So let's follow the link and see what we have here. So let's close terminal and see. So now, as you can see, we have the task details with the button, which is the dark button. Let's add also, we can add also to this row margin top and bottom of 5, and see, because form is close to the top. So I think now it's better. Let's move to the up. So here, so let's see here, let's add to the body class bg lights. So save, let's refresh. So I think now it's better, okay? And we can add also, so how many rows here we have? Let's make it 5 rows, okay? So refresh, so now it's better, okay? So once task added, so we'll display here the task. So now let's move to the class that we have created, which is the task.